In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Xbox. I will show you two reset methods: reset and remove everything, or reset and keep my games and apps. Let's get started. Warning: before you start, it's wise to take a few quick precautions. Make sure your console is connected to the internet so your game saves can sync to the cloud. Also, remove any disks from the tray to prevent any issues. And if you're doing a full reset, note down your account details, as you'll need to log back in afterward. Now let's get to the reset. First, press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. From the Settings menu, navigate to System Option. Under System Option, go to Console Info option. Finally, select Reset Console. Xbox console will ask you for two reset options: reset and remove everything. The process can take 1 or more hours, depending on how much data you have. The reset and keep my games and apps option is usually much quicker, often finishing in under 20 minutes. Make sure your console stays plugged in and powered on throughout the entire process. And that's it. After the reset is complete, your Xbox will restart. If you did a full reset, it will be like turning it on for the very first time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.